So welcome back once again, and here in this video I'm just going to show you how to increment and decrement operator works in PHP. So in order to do that, I have created a file with the name of increment and decrement.php, and here I have written certain code for this to save our time, and I'm just going to demonstrate here. Uh, Here we have done rest of the job. Now we going to declare a variable, say variable x, and to that I'm initialize equal to say 0, and I'm taking another variable, say variable y, and to this I'm initialize equal to say 5. Now here I am going to use the concept of increment and decrement using the notation as prefix and postfix. So first of all we will go with the prefix notation, and here we write as say $x is equal to plus plus $y. So this is what called as the prefix notation, pre-increment or prefix notation, and we are going to here display the value of the variable x and y and see the difference here. So here we are using echo, and this time we are displaying the value of variable x here and putting the semicolon to terminate. Then here we are using echo to break off the line, and for this I'm using VR element of HTML and semicolon to terminate the sentence, and here we have to use echo to display the value of variable by here, and save the changes. And here in the screen browser we're going to refresh. Here we got the value of variable x is equal to 6 and the value of variable y is equal to 6. Now look at the case. Initially the value of x is equal to 6 and then initially the value of y is equal to 5. What we are doing, we are we are assigning the value to the x, that is of y value. What we are using the pre-increment notation mean to say that it will first increment its value, then it will assign the value. So when it will first increment by 1, it means the value of y will become 6, and then it will assign the value of its to variable x. So the value of x also become equal to 6. So here in both cases we got the value of um, x and y equal to 6 and 6. So we just can say here it is as, say we can echo, we can write here as say echo, and here we write pre increment case, and here we use say paragraph element, and we start with paragraph element, and here we have to put the sentence terminator for this. So save the changes here, and you see this is pre-increment notation. Okay, so here we are going with the same code here. I'm copying all these code from here to here and copy this using Control C, and here I'm going to paste this, and this time I'm using the post increment. In order to do that, what I have to do, I just have to change this over here, and this is called as our post increment notation. Save the changes and see the difference. In this case you will see here is the value as 6 and here is the value as 7. Or what we can say that what has happened over here, here after this initially the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to value of x is equal to 0 and value of 5 is y is equal to 5. So here in this case of pre-increment, what has done, it has increment the value of y by 1, that value of y become equal to 6, and then it will assign the value of y to x. So both the value of x and y become here equal to 6. So here now the value of x is equal to 6 and value of y is equal to 6. Now what I have done in this case, we have incremented the value of y by 1, but in this case we are using the post increment. It means to say that it will first assign the value and then it will increment. So first it will assign the value as, first it's having the value equal to 6, so it will give the value of x equal to 6, and then it increment the value of y by 1, so value of y will become 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7 here. So in order to better understand, you can simply, what you can do, you can again initialize these variable here, again control C, and simply paste it here, and again you initialize these variable here to 0, so you will see this real like result. And the same way we are going to having to see with the decrement. We see, copy all these from here to there, control C and control V to paste here, and here we use decrement, pre-decrement, and this is with the post decrement, and here we have to use decrement operator, that is minus minus, and this case we have to use decrement operator minus minus. If we see the different see the changes, save the file, and here we go refresh, and we see here pre-decrement and this is post decrement. What is going to happen in this case? Initially in this case, what is where x value is equal to 0 and the y's value is equal to 5. What it will do in this case, it will first decrement by the value and then it will assign. So it's first going to decrement the value, it means 5's value going to be coming as 4, and same way the x value become as equal to 4, so it's returning the value of x and y is equal to 4. Here in case of post decrement, what it will do, it will first assign the value. So first it will assign the value, it means to say the value of y is equal to 5, so the value of x become equal to 5, then it will decrement the value of y by 1, so it means this time the value of y will going to be coming as equal to 4. So this is how the pre-increment and post-increment works on operator in PHP. So that's all for the now, and see you in the next